feel free to talk to me. This is the map of Odyssey Gorge. Today we will go to the two spots in the middle stream. So the first place is Makadoima Rock. This is famous for the huge ice floes. And the second place is Ishigedo-no-se Current. So Oryuላይ Gorge is from here to here, but still the river flows all the way to the Pacific Ocean. And this is Oirase-gawa River. And first 40 kilometers of this river from Lake Twara to around our hotel, it's called Oirase Gorge, and 40 kilometers long. At our shop, you can also say hello to them. So please look for them later. So now you can see the one building on the right side. This is Ishigedo Brass Barrier. It has the diorama of Odyssey Gorge and the shops and restaurants. So it's hiding snow, but there's a walk trail along the riverside tree on the right side right now. It's hiding in the snow in winter season. Please enjoy.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
There's a huge rock and the moss covered and the tree is growing up. Normally the tree can grow it up on the snow, on the soil. But thanks to the moss, they can grow it up on the rocks. So when you get off the bus, please enter along the riverside and do not go near to the river. When you drop into the river, it's very dangerous, so be careful, please. present at the same spot, the atmosphere will be totally different. Like an emerald green and you can see the gradation of colors from green to yellow, orange, and red. Many tourists come to here from inside of Japan, but from abroad as well.